Jai Shri Gurudev. This is Nisarga from Department of English. Due to COVID-19, our syllabus is incomplete. That's why I'm doing this video. Before the class gets started, I would like to recommend you use earphone for better sound quality. Okay, let's get started. Today I am going to teach you The Patriot, which is another part of Janvi Barowa's Next Door. The Patriot, it's a short story of Janvi Barowa's Next Door. Firstly, we should know the protagonist of the story. The protagonist of the story is Dhiran Majumdar, who is a retired government official and his son successful civil servant. Okay, let's see the story. The Patriot. The Patriot deals with the relationship of the protagonist, a retired government official, Dhiran Majumdar, with an insurgent who takes refuge in his house. Every morning, we are told, Majumdar sits down in his compound with a cup of tea and examines his kingdom as if he were seeing it for the very first time. One evening, Majumdar sees a flicker of movement in his old and dilapidated ancestral house beside his humble two-bedroom house. He goes across to investigate and finds a youth lying in the darkness, badly injured. The boy is an insurgent and he wants to get him medicine and food and to keep his presence also secret. Majumdar, we have already been told, as a grown up son who is a successful civil servant, but somehow there is no feeling between them. Indeed, Majumdar feels object before his son as he used to do before his superiors at work. Now, as Majumdar oofs and puffs under the burden of the arrogant young insurgent's demands, we feel, although Barowa never states this explicitly, that he is being fulfilled as a father for the first time. Barowa delicately graphed the bloodshed and violence of the insurgency onto the pathos and neediness of old man's life. The main story revolves around the protagonist, Dhiran Majumdar. Dhiran Majumdar used to stay at his ancestral house, and one evening Majumdar sees a flicker of moment in his old and dilapidated ancestral house beside his two bedroom. He goes across to investigate and finds their youth lying in the darkness and badly injured. The boy is an insurgent and he wants to get him medicine and food, shelter, and he wants to keep him presence also a secret. But Majumdar feels object because Majumdar has already grown up son who is a successful civil servant, but there was no use. Why? Because there was no feelings, there was no bondage, there was no concern, there was no loving between them. Because Majumdar, he doesn't care, he doesn't love his son. Why? Because Majumdar feels object before his son, as he used to do before his superiors at work. But for the first time, Majumdar is being fulfilled as the father. Barowa delicately graphed the bloodshed and violence of the insurgency and to the pathos and neediness of the whole man's life. Here, Barowa, she tries to tell us that we are getting old. Every human being is getting old, but no matter, although we must have passion, bondage, feelings is neediness of every human being's life. That's it. Thank you.